Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are one step closer to Carnival. Jamaica Carnival is in April, in my birth week, so I'm kind of getting ready for this. Like, I feel that this look just embodies Carnival. It's just like colorful and fun and just kind of all over the place, but still being like together. Like it's just so fun. I mean, that's essentially Carnival. Like, I can't wait. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have as much fun watching. And if you guys do recreate this look, remember to just tag me in it on your Insta or your Twitter or wherever you're at. You can follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram is antisocial_sarcasm and Twitter is at Wallace. That's KEAWALLACE. I just forgot how to spell my name, brother. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's just get into this. So I'm starting with my lids primed with my concealer as per usual. And for this video I'm using three palettes actually. I'm using the James Charles palette, the Morphe 35B, and the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. So first I'm going to take the black shade from the James Charles palette. And I'm just going to tuck that into my crease. Well, above my crease, because I do have hooded eyes. I'm just going to bring that all the way over. And kind of bring it a little bit out here. Then I'm gonna go into the deep purple shade from the 35B. I'm just gonna pack that on and above that black. Next, I'm gonna go into that lighter purple from the 35B and pack that right above this purple. And I'm just using this to blend out this purple a bit so that, ooh, yeah, I forgot that there's a whole lot. So this is why I don't do my foundation first when I'm doing colorful looks, because I can't deal with fallout. Mother ball if they see that on my foundation, honestly. Next, I'm gonna go into Zobo from the Masquerade palette. That's that deep pink shade, and I'm just gonna pack that right above that purple. Just blend this all out. Next, I'm going to go into Bori from the Masquerade palette and use that to blend out Zobo. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend this all out. I'm not going to worry about this outer part as yet. Can always come back to that when I'm finished. And I'm going to go back in with my concealer and cut my crease and be right back. So now that we've cut our crease, I'm going to go in with some NYX glitter glue. Let me just get a smaller mirror. And I'm just going to place that right in that cut crease area. I'm doing small areas at a time. Then I'm going to go into that light green shimmer shade from the 35B and just pack that right where I put that glitter glue. I like to use the glitter glue because it allows the shadow to stick better to my lid, and it just gives off more pigmentation for me. So I really like to use the glitter glue. As you can see, the pigment just shows up a bit more. You could just apply the glitter glue to all over your eye one time, but I prefer not to because it kind of dries down. It doesn't give me the tackiness that I want. So now I'm going to go into Molly from the Masquerade palette. I'm going to spritz it a bit for a little bit of extra pigment, although I have the glitter glue, and just put that right next to that green shade. And I'm just going to pack it on and then blend them together. Then I'm going to go into shade Dahlia from the Masquerade palette and just repeat that process. And you can see this is a really nice blue. Just pat that on. Go back into Molly and just blend these two together. Finally, I'm going to go into shade Makita from the Masquerade palette and pop that right in that outer part of my lid. And then go back into Dahlia and blend this into Makita. And then I'm gonna go back into that deep purple from the 35B and just pack that right into my outer V. And then go back into Bori and just blend this out. So now that I've finished, I'm going to cut my crease again and be right back. So now that we've cut out our liner, I'm going to go back in with Bori from the Masquerade palette and just pack that right in that inner part of this concealer. And because I have hooded eyes, this is making it this so much more difficult. And then my eyes are pretty sensitive, so I have to be careful I don't get the shadow into my eye. Then I'm gonna go into that bright pink from the 35B and pack that right over Bori. And next I'm gonna go back into that lighter purple from the 35B and just pack that in this outer part of the liner. Then I'm gonna go back into that deep purple and just put a little bit more in this outer part just to blend these two together. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes for now. I'm gonna go and do my face and then come back and finish the eyes because this is gonna take some cleaning up. Okay, I know this looks weird, but I refuse to have fallout all over my foundation after I just go through all of that work. I'm gonna finish the eyes by doing my bottom lashes, and I'm actually gonna do something that's probably gonna hurt me tomorrow, but that's how life go. I don't have any nude eyeliner, so I'm gonna go in with some concealer in my waterline. This is probably gonna be, well, this is a bad idea. If you have sensitive eyes, please don't listen. don't do this. Do not do this. You did not hear this from me. I don't want anybody like saying I told them to do this. But yeah, do not do this. I am not going to be liable for anything for this. I'm gonna go into shade Social Blade from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use that to set this concealer. This is a bad idea because I have sensitive eyes, but I do not have any green. Because my doctor is going to kill me if I come back and tell him that, oh, I get eyeshadow in my eye. And now I'm actually gonna go to the Zulu palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna go into the yellow shade, and I'm gonna put that right here. So this is the issue I have. My eyes are watering and it's just not working out for me. And then I'm gonna go into the orange shade from the Juvia's Place palette and put that right next to the yellow. And then I'm gonna go back into Bori from the Masquerade palette. And tuck that right under here. And just bring that up to connect with that outer part of this. Just bring it up to connect with the outer part of my top lash line. To highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with that pink shimmer shade in the 35B. Gonna spritz it with a little setting spray and put that right in my brow bone. And then I'm gonna do some mascara. So to complete this look, I need my inner corner highlight, and for that I'm gonna go back into the pink shade that I used for my brow bone from the 35B. I'm just gonna tuck that right in my inner corner. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna get a brown liner and I'm gonna line my lips with this. And then to keep in this color scheme, I'm gonna go in with this Nabi liquid velvet, and this is in the shade Angel Pink. I'm gonna put that right in the center of my lips. To complete this look, I'm gonna go in with some more setting spray. And go back in with my sponge and just press this into my skin. Add another layer of highlight. And then just go over that with my sponge. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm really loving this look right now. Like, it's so right up my alley. Pink, purple, kind of rainbow, kind of glam, kind of all over the place with some dramatic lashes. My eyes watered so much that all of my under eye shadow is just gone, but so life goes sometimes. But I really am enjoying this. I just added my Love Your Lash Shady lashes. It's a deep pink pack. You guys know it's what I use all the while. You can get them in Beauty Book. You can get them practically almost any pharmacy or makeup store right now. They're all over the island, and I doubled them actually, so it's just 2 pairs on each eye because I wanted a bit more dramatic look. Because as much as I want something dramatic, they still have this kind of wispiness to them, so I kind of just doubled them. As you can see, they look really bomb, and I use my highlighters popping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to click subscribe. You can also check out some of my other videos. I'll link them up in the iCard I never know where it is. And I'll leave some link down below. You can also click the notification bell so you can know anytime I upload. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this look, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.